I thought this was supposed to be about stocks. Where?
You all bundled up? Damn. This is insanity. But the greatest part about what's happening out there is I don't have to go out there. As long as we've got computers and internet connections, we're all going to be fine. Bundle up, throw the heat on, get the fire going, chill out, and you know what? It's 8:33 in the morning and chances are you could take a nap already. Go back to sleep because the day's over. It was what we were waiting for yesterday. Everybody wants to short the RIMM. Everybody wants to short the research in motion. This stock's gone too far too fast. This company's over and done with. This thing's a has-been. Why is anybody buying this stock? I'm going to short it here at 12. Cover it! I'm going to short it here at 12 and a half. Cover that shit! I'm going to cover it. It's definitely not breaking 13. I'm going all in. Oh, my career's over! Cover it! 13 and a half has to be a line in the sand. Let's buy 13 and a half weekly puts here for 20 cents, guaranteed to be 50 cents at the end of the day. Oh, shit! Fuck this. I'm holding it over the weekend short. Is that it opening up at $14? I'm doubling up right here. Cover that shit! That's why Research in Motion just went the extra 3.5 points. At 18 and change, now in the pre-market, as you see it's hit $18.20 and starts to get weak, finally a shorting opportunity. Not at 12 or 13 or 14 or 15. That's when it finally just broke out. And everybody's all excited. Yeah, Research in Motion's coming back. Listen, it's not about whether this company's coming back or not. Is GMCR coming back? Is First Solar gonna revolutionize the solar industry again and come on back to 300? What about Akamai back to 300? Hey, they're still powering the internet. How come the stock's only $40? Is it worth $1 or is it worth 400? Who the hell knows? Find a trend, ride it, and then jump off. That's all this market is about. Right now, we have barely just broke highs for the year, and it's the 23rd of the month. We've gone nowhere. And this market, I hope, goes nowhere forever, because you know who's going to be making money this year? This guy, you, people who don't own mutual funds, people who are not sitting in stocks. Oh, you thought MCP was coming back, did you? No, getting smacked down. You thought that SodaStream was looking good, right? So you started shorting it, right? Broke 50, killing it, rocking it. Looked like it was going out of business again at $33 a share. You know, we did our channel checks on that one. I actually stalked Best Buy for months. Hey, anybody buying the soda machine? Really? Anybody buying the soda machine? Yeah? Everybody I spoke to loved the soda machine. They're selling the soda machine. They're thinking about buying the soda machine for their friends. And every time I got that answer, I was like, no, really? So what did I do? I went and bought the stock at about $35 a share because it was getting pounded back down under there. Did you think I held it all the way to 50? Come on. You know I had a couple of hundred shares and I sold it at 37, 38 bucks. Maybe dipped my toe back in at 40, sold it at like 41. That last 10 points, that's just like the other dudes. This stock can't keep going up. Come short that. You know the story. Stocks are not supposed to make sense, and they're not going to make sense anymore. Not about earnings. It's about momentum and short squeezes. That's what we do at hitthebid.com. We find stocks that have finally, for the love of God, stopped going down, and then we participate for as long as they remain good.
Well, how do you know? How do you know they stop going down? How do you know? And when do you get out? How do you know?
I don't know shit, all right? I know that after 2 weeks and a stock just can't go down anymore, like SHLD at 39 and change. There was no reason for it to stop going down, but it did. I'm not going to ask why.
Can you explain why? Yeah, get on the phone, make some calls.
I don't know why it stopped going down, but as soon as it stopped going down, boom, we're in. And we follow it for a week or so. And it managed to get up 4 or 5 points, 7 points altogether. Why did I buy silver? You think I know about silver? Let's get into a silver fight on the internet. I know so much about silver, the shortage, the supply shortage, all the installations that they're going to be using silver for. Gold is done. Silver, you got to get your coins. Let's get on QVC. Home Shopping Network. Let's get us some Silver Eagles. Let's start battling about the price of silver. No, I know shit. I don't know anything about silver except that I really like these shiny 1-ounce bars that I got for my kids. I got them the Silver Eagles, which are pretty damn cool. And I'm working on getting a big fat brick of silver for like $3,000. A big hunk of fucking silver. Like, I gotta bite into it. What do I know about silver? I know that the SLV bounced around 28.50, 29, 28.50. Blah, 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 blah. Finally, it said, we're not going down anymore. So I dipped my toe into it, and as it finally broke back above 30, I added to it, and lo and behold, we got the AGQ and the SLV. Why I own both of these, I don't know, but AGQ is more of a trade. SLV is the one I'm holding on to. I don't know. I just wait for things to stop going down, and then I dip my toe into it, like Apollo Group, APOL. No reason for the stock to stop going down. Have they said anything positive in the last 2 years? Remember when everybody had to have online education? Online education was the fad of that was the shit. You had to be involved. Robot surgery. Every 6 months, there's a new fad. Now let's talk about the fad that's happening right now that maybe you don't know about. 3D printing. Woo! I can make a cup over and over again. I can make thousands and thousands of cups through a printing machine. Why do I need this? I don't know, but the stock keeps going up. I can't build a thing that's... If I need to build a machine, I can make a machine. It looks like the machine, but has no working properties. Now again, I thought when I saw this thing on 2020, God damn, that shit is cool. 20 bucks a share, 30 bucks a share, cool. But I guess cool, as you could tell with Apple stock going from 60 bucks to 700 over the last several years, cool has a big part of the stock. Cool drives the stock up an extra 20%. Cool does something. It's real. Imagine Facebook was cool to own. Facebook's still tainted like a dirty, dirty whore. Huh? If your stock is liked, you're going to get an extra valuation. If you don't like it, it's never going to get that extra boost like Intel. Who cares about Intel? They could say some awesome stuff and nobody's going to care anymore about Intel. But DDD, triple D, oh, look at them big Ds. Who cares how much money they're making, what the applications are? That thing is cool. I'm in. Print me up some fake phones or something. I'll give them out to friends as gag gifts. I'm sure. Car parts, something. They must do something that's worth something other than just making cool shit. I don't know. Bottom line, my friends, is that HLF came to the rescue over the last couple of weeks. We beat the shit out of that stock, huh? 26.50 in, out at 30, back in at 35, out at 40, shorted at 45. Woo! Now again, when I hold on to the stock, we're not talking about huge size. We're talking 200 shares, 300 shares. When I trade it intraday, sure, I'm buying 1,000 or selling 1,000, but as soon as it moves 20 cents my way, bing, I'm out. Ming! Make 200 here, 200 there. We're just grinding out a living, and we're having fun. Get involved, kids. Get involved, because right now my day is officially done. What kind of job is this where I could wake up in the morning, oh, research in motion, looks like it's about to break over under 18. Hit a couple of buttons, put a bid in at 17.89. Whoa, that got done pretty quick. Let me lower my bid. 17.75. Holy crap, that got done also. 17.70. Oh, I get back from my cup of coffee and all the 17.71s are gone also. Day's pay, play of the day. And I never trade pre-market, but I was waiting to short RIMM because finally at 18 and change, if you look at our price target from when it broke 12, we said it could get to 17.97, and there it was. So once the target is hit, I look for stocks to then roll over. And remember, the stock was $7, and now it's at 18. So sometime rational thought, what? Rational thought, yes, sometimes rational thought comes back. And it's still going down right now, 1766. Sometimes rational thought does take over. Profit taking does ensue. And all those people that were shorting at 12 and 13 and 14 and 15 and 16, they're getting their revenge right now. Aren't you? Aren't you? Get your revenge. Revenge trading. Sometimes it works.